Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that affects every woman at some point in her life, yet it's still surrounded by so much confusion and misinformation: menopause. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, or 50s, understanding the warning signs of menopause can help you prepare for this natural transition and know when it might be time to talk to your healthcare provider. Before we dive in, I want to clarify that menopause isn't actually a disease or something wrong with your body. It's a completely natural biological process that marks the end of your reproductive years. Technically, menopause is diagnosed after you've gone 12 consecutive months without a menstrual period, but the transition leading up to that point, called perimenopause, can last anywhere from a few months to over a decade, and that's when most women start experiencing symptoms. So let's get into the 15 warning signs you should be aware of. Warning sign number 1, irregular periods. This is often the very first sign that perimenopause is beginning. Your periods might become unpredictable in timing, lasting longer or shorter than usual, or the flow might be heavier or lighter. You might skip a month or two and then have your period return. Some women experience periods that come closer together, while others find them spacing further apart. This irregularity happens because your ovaries are producing fluctuating levels of estrogen and progesterone. Keep track of your cycles in a journal or app so you can discuss patterns with your doctor. Warning sign number 2, hot flashes. Hot flashes are probably the most well-known symptom of menopause, and about 3/4 of women experience them. A hot flash is a sudden feeling of intense heat that spreads through your upper body and face, often accompanied by sweating and a rapid heartbeat. They can last anywhere from 30 seconds to several minutes. Some women experience them occasionally, while others have them multiple times per day. Hot flashes can be triggered by stress, alcohol, caffeine, spicy foods, or hot weather, but they can also appear completely randomly. While they're not dangerous, they can be incredibly disruptive to your daily life. Warning sign number 3, night sweats. Night sweats are essentially hot flashes that happen while you're sleeping. You might wake up drenched in sweat, needing to change your pajamas or even your sheets. Beyond being uncomfortable, night sweats can seriously interfere with your sleep quality, which leads us to our next warning sign. Warning sign number 4, sleep disturbances. Many women going through menopause struggle with sleep, and it's not just because of night sweats. Hormonal changes can directly affect your sleep patterns, making it harder to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. You might find yourself lying awake for hours or waking up several times during the night for no apparent reason. Poor sleep then creates a domino effect, contributing to fatigue, mood changes, difficulty concentrating, and overall reduced quality of life. Warning sign number 5, mood changes and irritability. Fluctuating hormone levels can significantly impact your emotional state. Many women report feeling more irritable, anxious, or emotionally sensitive during perimenopause and menopause. You might find yourself snapping at loved ones over small things, feeling overwhelmed by situations that wouldn't normally bother you, or experiencing mood swings that feel out of character. Some women also experience increased anxiety or feelings of sadness. It's important to know that these emotional changes are a legitimate physical response to hormonal shifts, not a personal failing. Warning sign number 6, depression. While mood changes are common, some women experience more serious depression during menopause. If you're feeling persistently sad, losing interest in activities you once enjoyed, having changes in appetite, or experiencing thoughts of hopelessness, it's crucial to talk to a healthcare provider. Depression during menopause is treatable, and you don't have to suffer through it alone. Warning sign number 7, vaginal dryness. Declining estrogen levels can cause the tissues of your vagina to become thinner, drier, and less elastic. This can lead to discomfort, itching, or burning sensations. It can also make sexual intercourse painful, which understandably affects intimacy and quality of life. Many women feel embarrassed discussing this symptom, but it's extremely common, and there are effective treatments available, from lubricants and moisturizers to prescription therapies. Warning sign number 8, decreased libido. Changes in sex drive are common during menopause. Some women experience a decrease in sexual desire, which can be caused by hormonal changes, vaginal dryness making sex uncomfortable, fatigue, mood changes, or a combination of factors. It's worth noting that some women actually experience an increase in libido during this time, perhaps due to freedom from worrying about pregnancy. Everyone's experience is different. Warning sign number 9, weight gain and metabolism changes. Many women notice that they gain weight during menopause, particularly around the abdomen, even if their diet and exercise habits haven't changed. This happens because hormonal changes affect how your body distributes fat and can slow down your metabolism. The decrease in muscle mass that naturally occurs with aging also contributes to a slower metabolism. While frustrating, understanding that this is a normal part of the transition can help you adjust your lifestyle accordingly. Warning sign number 10, brain fog and memory issues. Difficulty concentrating, trouble remembering names or words, and general mental cloudiness are frequently reported during menopause. You might walk into a room and forget why you're there, struggle to focus on tasks at work, or have trouble recalling information that would normally come easily to you. Research suggests these cognitive changes are real and related to hormonal fluctuations, though for most women, they're temporary. However, if memory problems are severe or worsening, it's important to rule out other causes with your doctor. Warning sign number 11, headaches. If you're prone to headaches or migraines, you might find they become more frequent or intense during perimenopause. This is especially true for women who've experienced hormone-related headaches in the past, such as menstrual migraines. The fluctuating estrogen levels during perimenopause can trigger headaches. Some women find their headaches improve after menopause when hormone levels stabilize, while others may see their headaches continue or worsen. Warning sign number 12. Joint and muscle aches. Estrogen plays a role in reducing inflammation in the body, so when levels drop, many women experience increased joint pain, stiffness, and general achiness. You might notice your hands, knees, hips, or shoulders feeling sore, particularly in the morning. Some women describe feeling like they've aged overnight. While these aches can be concerning, they're a common symptom of menopause, though it's always wise to discuss persistent pain with a healthcare provider to rule out conditions like arthritis. Warning sign number 13, thinning hair and dry skin. Hormonal changes can affect your hair and skin. Many women notice their hair becoming thinner, particularly on their scalp, while paradoxically experiencing increased facial hair growth. Your skin might become drier, less elastic, and more prone to wrinkles. These changes can affect how you feel about your appearance, but understanding they're a normal part of aging and menopause can help you adapt your skincare and hair care routines accordingly. Warning sign number 14, increased urinary urgency. The loss of estrogen affects the tissues of your urinary tract just as it does vaginal tissues. You might find yourself needing to urinate more frequently or urgently, or you might experience stress incontinence, where you leak urine when you cough, sneeze, laugh, or exercise. Some women also become more susceptible to urinary tract infections during this time. These symptoms can be embarrassing, but they're very common and treatable. Warning sign number 15, heart palpitations. Some women experience heart palpitations during menopause, where they feel like their heart is racing, pounding, or fluttering. While this can be alarming, palpitations are usually harmless when related to menopause. However, because heart palpitations can also indicate other health issues, it's important to get them checked out by a doctor, especially if they're accompanied by chest pain, dizziness, or shortness of breath. Final thoughts. It's important to remember that every woman's experience with menopause is unique. You might experience all of these symptoms, just a few, or different ones entirely. The severity and duration of symptoms also varies dramatically from person to person. Some women sail through menopause with minimal disruption, while others find it significantly impacts their quality of life. If you're experiencing symptoms that are affecting your daily life, don't hesitate to talk to your healthcare provider. There are many treatment options available, from hormone replacement therapy to lifestyle modifications, alternative therapies, and medications for specific symptoms. You don't have to just tough it out. Also, remember that menopause typically occurs between ages 45 and 55, but it can happen earlier or later. If you're experiencing these symptoms before age 40, talk to your doctor about premature menopause or primary ovarian insufficiency. Knowledge is power, and understanding what's happening to your body can help you navigate this transition with more confidence and less anxiety. Menopause isn't the end of anything, it's simply a new chapter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health content. Drop a comment below sharing your experiences or questions about menopause. Let's support each other through this journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.